Today we're going to be installing our LED wide driving light kit onto a FORD F150. The kit includes a user manual, wiring harness with an integrated switch, square connectors, and positive and negative power leads. And here's a look at the LED light. And the kit includes dust covers for both lights, a rubber mounting pad to absorb vibrations, mounting bolts, nuts, and washers. It also includes an adjustment tool and a flathead screwdriver. Here are the tools needed to install this kit. We'll need a few zip ties, an 8mm wrench, a 13mm wrench, and a second 13mm wrench, and some wire cutters. First, open the hood and remove the wiring harness grommet on the driver's side firewall. Then feed the switch through the firewall opening and pull the switch through to the dash area. The switch has two functions, running lights and main lights. Peel off the adhesive backing and mount the switch where you'd like. Now connect the switch to the harness and route the harness according to the vehicle layout, and also route the light harness. After the harness is routed, secure it with zip ties, and using the wire cutters, trim any extra length on the zip ties. The relay and fuse should be placed in a secure location, and zip tie those as well. And repeat for the other light harness. Slide the screw into the hole. Slide the rubber mounting pad onto the mounting bolt, and install the light in your preferred location. Now we have the rest of the hardware. First, we install the flat washer, then the lock washer, and then the nut. We'll need the 13mm wrenches to tighten the nut and bolt. Now we need to connect the lights to the harness, and we're just routing this into the engine bay to connect with the main harness. Here we have the 8mm wrench to remove the battery terminal nut. And connect the red wire to the positive terminal. Install the nut, and using the 8mm wrench, tighten the nut. And we're using the 8mm wrench again to remove the nut on the negative terminal. And the black wire is going to go on the negative terminal. And tighten the nut with the 8mm wrench. And close the hood. These two pieces are the dust covers, and they help protect the lights when they're not in use. You can also use just one of them on each light to keep half open and half closed. The switch has two buttons. The upper button is for DRL, daytime running light mode. It features two colors. The first is white light. Press the button again to switch to amber light. The lower button here is for the main light, which is currently off. Just press and the main lights will turn on.